Good morning. We're so glad you're here. We daily vlog, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you come back every day. Look at this bright and sunny morning out here in Tampa Bay. All right, we actually have a very lazy leisure morning. It's 10 o'clock right now. We're gonna go have some breakfast, run over to Walgreens to grab a few things. And I think we're gonna come back and swim after that. So James slept really well last night. He got like 9 hours almost, around 9 hours of sleep, so that's good. He's going hard on these big days, but he's bouncing back pretty well with all the good sleep he's getting. So we're gonna go downstairs and go to like the cafe to grab like a pastry and a coffee for breakfast. Ready to go? Get out of my way. I just can't get enough of this lobby. It's just incredible. So we grabbed a few things from the market over there. Grabbed, looks like some granola and fruit. I think Jim's gonna eat that. And we also got a pan au chocolate. Love that speech right there. We're gonna sit here, I think. We're gonna have a little snack before we go on a little adventure across by the water. Oh, nice. He got so excited, he had to sneeze. Wow, that's cool. Little streetcar action. So this is a cool tunnel with these lights. And it worked out perfect timing because it looked like a traditional Florida spit just happened. Like a downpour started happening right as we walked out from underneath this. And I was like, you know what? It looks like the kind of Florida rain that's gonna chill for a second. I actually have an umbrella. So if it doesn't stop in like the next 2 minutes, it's already severely lightened up by like 80%. So if it doesn't stop completely here in like a minute or two, I'll bust out the umbrella. Well, we almost made it without the rain. We got past safe coverage and then it started downpouring on us. But like Florida typically is, it was raining the rest of the walk. We go into Walgreens, spend a few minutes in there. We come out and it's sunny again. We're back at the room, and it's been a minute since we stayed in a hotel and not a timeshare. Forget how it feels to have your room cleaned while you're out. Okay, we're gonna relax for a little bit, and then we're gonna see about going to the pool. If 1, 2, 3. Hey-o. All right, we got that ready. It's looking like it'll be favorable enough for it to go swimming. It's 12:20, so we have more time. Suit jacket out. I'm gonna iron all of this before we go swimming so that when we're done swimming, we can just come back, take showers, eat something or whatnot, and get him kind of set up. My buddy Steve from Tampa because we're in Tampa, is doing me a huge favor and gonna hang out with James while I go do the ceremony. And then I'll run over here, because we're just 2 streets over from the aquarium. I'll run over here after the ceremony while cocktail hour's going on, while the family and bridal party taking photos and basking in the gloriness of being married. I'll run over, grab James, put him in his outfit, and we'll go back. There's a little over an hour between the end of the ceremony and when the reception begins, so should be plenty of time. A little nervous about the NHL playoff games that's happening, because the Rangers are actually staying at this hotel. We're like literally attached to the arena. So that's kind of stressing me out. It's kind of stressing me out that Steve's gonna hit a lot of traffic coming over, giving me a little anxiety. It's so weird knowing that like Chelsea and all the bridesmaids are over there like doing hair and makeup. Cole's not even coming to the hotel until 2, I think. And then him and the groomsmen are gonna be getting ready from 2 until 4. They have a trolley taking them over at 4 for photos before the ceremony. It's wedding day. Cannot believe it's already here. Who's ready to go to the pool? Yeah! Boo, yeah. So here's where we were last night. Just during the day. 6th floor. Rooftop, the pool. Had a good time at the pool. It's like a quick 25-minute dip, but I think he's pooped and the sun's getting brutal, and it looks like there's some storms coming in, so we're actually gonna cut it now. Gonna go upstairs, take some showers, and he probably is ready for a nap. I was kind of hoping he'd nap while Steve was watching him during the actual ceremony, but I'm not gonna keep him awake. I'm gonna let him nap when he should nap, which is like right about now. So we're gonna go upstairs. I love the griffins all over the hotel. I love that symbol and branding. Love it. All right, here is lunch. I got me a margarita pizza. Looks delicious. I got James a kid's grilled cheese. That came with a side of fruit. We also got French fries, and these are glasses of milk. One's gonna be for a bottle after we eat this. One is a backup bottle for either tonight or an emergency bottle for Steve if he needs it. So these are gonna go straight into the little fridge we have here. All right, Cole just arrived, so we're gonna go visit him, and then we're gonna get myself ready and get him ready for a nap. 2.5 hours away from wedding. It was almost like a defense mechanism. He was so tired, and then he was in Cole's room with all the groomsmen, not knowing any of them, and he just went to sleep. So it's 3:18. I mean, it wouldn't be unheard of for him to sleep for 2.5 hours, especially because we were swimming, had an adventurous day, but it's 3:20. I need to get myself shaved, do my hair, get changed myself, and then Steve's gotta get here, and then we're gonna go. I'm in the car. I have to get over there. It's been pouring for 10 minutes. The wedding's in 30 minutes. But I see sunlight. The radar looks like it's supposed to break for like literally a moment, and I need it to break so I can run over and stay dry. I'm terrified of this timing. Here we go. I made it in. I also saw the bride. She's beautiful. And just like that, they are married. Mr. and Mrs. Thompson. Chelsea was beautiful. Cole was handsome. They did the thing. I did the thing. Not legally yet. We haven't filled that piece out, but we will later. I have to go get James and change him. They're married. Chelsea and Cole are married. I almost started crying at one point during it just because I was just so honored to be their officiant, to be a piece of their love story. Like, that's insane. And they honored me with that privilege. So, but we did it. I have to go. Am I going the right way? Yeah. I have to get outside. Hopefully it's not raining. I gave Cole my umbrella. He gave it to somebody else. It's gone now. It's gone. But you know what? They're married. Look at this slick kid. Look at these kicks. Woo. James is obsessed with the fish. So we're just going to let him go. And he loves the shoes too. Look at this cool tube we found. James, I think we actually have to go get seated. Yeah, let's go get seated for dinner. Then after dinner, we can look around more.
Before you do, Mr. or Mrs. Thompson.
They had a milk toasting glass for James with Oreos on top. How cute. James loves this mixer with one of their cats. One of their cats is on it. This is cute. Help us build memories. Sign a Jenga block. Aww. We made it through the salads. But he's in good spirits so far. We've done a few speeches. I think we're about to lose our jackets. I think that's the time of the evening. Look at it, Pop-Tart. I think that's from like Cole's first time ever in snow. So sweet. Jamesie's lost the jacket but achieved Pop-Tarts.
As most of you know, Chelsea and I are distinguished underpaid educators. And being an English teacher, I wanted to find like the right words to express myself to describe Chelsea and Cole's relationship, and I think that fits all of us combined. Okay, so here I go. Webster's dictionary defines, not that one, stop, defines love as an intense feeling of deep affection. Urban Dictionary defines throuple as just like a couple but with 3 people.
James, ready to go dance, baby? Time to go dance. Oh, the dancing is going on and Dad is sweaty. We're taking a lap.
Everybody here is snoozing. We got Teddy, we got Evie, who I might have just woke up. You are so stinking cute, honey. And we got me. I am not snoozing, but I am exhausted. I was up late last night working on my project, prepping the house. My best friend Lauren came over today. She kept me company. And we haven't hung out, just the 2 of us, in a while. But anyways, I came on here because I couldn't let the vlog go without congratulating Chelsea and Cole, my dear, dear, dear friends, on their wedding day. I'm still a little, like, in shock that I'm not there. Like, I just can't believe that I'm not there. Like, it's I can't wrap my mind around it, and I can't even think about it too much. We keep on saying, had Teddy been a little bit older, we would have felt a little bit more comfortable figuring out a different plan to make it happen. But he's just so tiny, and it's just how life went this year. And yeah, I'm just so happy that Peter and James got to go and be there with them. And I love them so much. We've been through so many big life moments together. It's so incredible to have had a friendship in Chelsea for over a decade, and she's just like the definition of just a true blue friend that I can count on, and that is just priceless. And just her bringing Cole into our lives has been such a blessing. And I love Cole so much. Whenever we even talk about Cole, I just say, like, I always have to say, like, I love him. I love him so dearly. He's just somebody that you want in your corner and that you love, like, that you just love to be around. And you know, when you come into a group of friends that's so close, it's difficult, you know, like, it is intimidating to, you know, to be a new person, especially somebody who wasn't in our Disney bubble whatsoever. And he's just incredible, and I'm so happy for them and just so grateful that we have them in our lives forever. They are our family, and I cannot wait to see them again and be able to hug them in person. I've been able to FaceTime. They've made time for me on their wedding day to FaceTime me. And that's just like, it goes to show how incredible they are. While Chelsea was on the trolley, she played the trolley song and called me, and we got to like have that moment together, and I got to see them getting ready and, you know, at the actual reception. And I cannot wait to edit tomorrow's vlog. I know Peter was busy and important, and who knows what he was able to capture, but all the photos and everything I've seen so far, I'm just so excited to see it and share whatever I can here. So again, Chelsea and Cole, I love you so much. The Clements family, I love you all so much. We really have been missing you all this weekend, and we love you. I haven't heard from Peter in a while. I think the wedding is wrapping up, so I'm gonna say goodnight here. It is good to be home.
We made it back to the hotel in one piece.
We're back.
We got this.
We're back.
We're back. We still have to make this thing legal, but John's got the certificate, and we made it back before the hockey game was over. So that's the biggest win of all. Great wedding.
Sarah, we miss you so much.
Sarah, I wish you were here. I'm so sorry.
We miss you. We got changed in my comfy clothes. I have to get this wedding certificate signed, and I think my buddy Steve is here and met Chelsea and Cole. I don't know how we've made it this late, but we're finally toast, so this is all that's left of the wedding. I'm waiting for Cole to say goodbye, and then we're gonna go downstairs and go to bed. Should we say it's good to be home, Jamesie? It is good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.